Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Sanjay Hulambe, cordially welcomes in the academic year 2020-21. You have been passed in the FYBA examination and are enrolled in the SYBA class. Friends, most of you are unaware of the fact that as the course has been changed in the last year, that is FYBA. So also in this academic year, the syllabus of SYBA has been also changed. As far as compulsory English subject is concerned, a revised syllabus has been prescribed by Savitribai Phule University Pune for SYBA compulsory English from the academic year 2020-21. In this academic year, in the subject of compulsory English, choice-based credit system has been deployed by Savitribai Phule University Pune. It has 70-30 pattern, which consists of 3 credit course. In the course of the lecture, I will understood you what is the credit course. Before that, I will understood you the objectives behind framing this syllabus. Objective first is to expose students to the best examples of literature in English and to contribute to their emotional quotient as well as independent thinking. Objective second is to instill universal human values through best pieces of literature in English. Objective next is to develop effective communication skills by developing ability to use right words in the right context. Objective 4, to enhance employability of the students by developing their basic soft skills. Objective 5 is to revise and reinforce the learning of some important areas of grammar for better linguistic competence. Now, I will understood you what is this credit course. Each semester shall have 3 credits for teaching. Each credit is equal to 15 teaching hours. So, this course shall have 45 teaching hours. In addition to that, there shall be 3 hours allotted to internal evaluation. It means that 3 into 15 is equal to 45 plus 3 is equal to 48. It is equally applicable to all paper or courses. Considering the choice-based credit system and the semester pattern, both semester 3rd and semester 4th will have a uniform evaluation pattern of 100 marks each. There will be an internal examination for 30 marks and semester end examination for 70 marks. The internal examination of 30 marks will be conducted at college level. Number A, assignment group discussion, tutorial, seminar, oral examination, project for 10 marks, and B, a mid-semester written text for 20 marks. This is the credit system. Now we will go for the semester third syllabus. In semester third, we have to study a prescribed text entitled as Panorama. Values and skills through literature, which consists of 5 components. The first component or the first unit is the prose unit. In it, we have to study 3 prose. Prose first is a simple philosophy written by Seidel. Prose second, the homecoming, is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Prose third is the Verger, written by Somerset Maugham. These 4 proses are allotted to be taken into 12 clock hours. Next, in unit third, which is poetry, again in it we have to study 3 poems. Poem first, The Palanquin Bearers, is written by Sarojini Naidu. Poem second, On the Grasshopper and the Cricket, written by John Keats. And poem third, Pied Beauty, is written by George Manley Hopkins. Again here, we have to study these 3 poems into 12 clock hours. In the unit third, which is grammar, there are 3 topics we have to study in the semester first. Topic first is the passive voice. Topic second, direct and indirect speech. And topic third is negative sentences. To the grammar unit, 10 clock hours have been allotted, and we have to teach these 3 grammar topics into 10 clock hours. Moving ahead, unit 4th is of the vocabulary, which consists of 3 topics. Number first, one word substitute. Number 2, add-ons. And number 3, suffixes and prefixes. Again, to the vocabulary unit, 6 clock hours have been allotted by Savitribai Phule University, Pune. In the last and the concluding unit, we have to study soft skills. In it, there are 2 soft skills have been prescribed. Soft skill first is leadership skills, and soft skill second is teamwork skill. To the soft skills, 5 clock hours have been allotted, and we have to study these 2 soft skills into allotted clock hours. Friends, this is enough for today. In the next lecture, we will study one of the unit or one of the topic from that unit. I hope you will go through the syllabus I have been shared with you. You can also download the syllabus from the university website and regularly attend my lecture in virtual mode or on in online mode. That's all. Thank you.